Yeah, clear that little stump. Yeah, right there. You gotta get, like, you gotta clear this thing. Yeah. What is up there? Cut it passenger.
Yeah, cut it passenger.
Just clear this. You need to be on the inside of this. And then just fucking get it. And then stay that left. Like, aim for that tree and then go up.
This on the wrong side. That tire out to fold in half.
You need more go fast.
Let's weld up the front diff real quick.
The only way to the right is if you went to the right and then clear this off. So like, I'll just keep momentum.
Congratulations, Gareth.
What? I think
Look at the anger in that man's face.
Obviously didn't drink enough last
Cut it passenger.
Look, give me your locker.
bump it harder.
Cut it passenger and get it.
Yeah, the more.
Well, see, we're gonna call up Mickey Thompson and be like, "Hey, Mickey Thompson, fuck you, man. You gotta go check it out."
Gareth, I don't think this would have happened with a Kevlar.
It's actually pronounced Cam too.
I believe the word you're thinking
Oh, we are
was KM2.
good.
This is a tiny hole.
I said keep wheeling.
My
Yeah,
spare
I don't have a
one.
choice. I don't have four-wheel drive anymore.
We'll just drag you.
Good thing you're locked in the front.
Yeah.
I think you should do a whole bunch of PCB
We got one-wheel drive
and
right
then just
now.
carry it home.
Dude, he's lucky he's